What's up, guys? Jimmy again over here at Signature Performance here in Costa Mesa. Today we got a unique one. It is a awesome build, something just a little bit different, but nothing that we can't handle. We actually have a 2021 Chevy 3500HD dually. So this customer's name is Rick. Rick actually is local to us. He actually comes from Yorba Linda, so he's not that far. He dropped his truck off beginning of the week, left it with us all week. We had to do a couple things, a little bit of research to make sure everything was gonna work with this kit. So we got some cool things, got some new product on here, got some cool tire sizes. As you can see, we actually left the stock wheels on it, which you don't see too many of these trucks on stock wheels. We start to see a lot more 2500 using stock wheels and adapters on them. It was a little bit tricky to make it work on a 3500, but we did our research, made sure it was safe for the customer to drive, and we made it happen for Rick. So let's dive into this build. So of course, we always go with McGaughys. Went ahead and did the premium 4-inch lift. Also did reservoirs, upper control arms. So let's take a look underneath and let's see all those beautiful angles. So as you can see, the CV shafts are painted. The passenger side diff section's painted, and of course you see that is a true 4-inch drop. So if you were to measure center bolt to center bolt, you do see it is a true 4-inch. If you guys measure it, you're gonna know that it's a true 4-inch. Now the next thing we're checking out is the upper control arms. So with this 3500, he did opt to go with the upper control arms. Now of course, when you go with the McGaughys upper control arms, you do not need to modify the frame. Now some of the benefits of the upper control arms is the droop travel. So of course with more droop travel, you actually get an improved ride. Now Rick also opted to go with the reservoir shocks. Cool thing with Rick is he actually uses his truck for hauling, and he also off-roads it, believe it or not. He takes it into sand, he takes it into dirt. He has a huge toy hauler, so he's actually using this truck to do what it's meant for. And the good thing about the McGaughys shocks, it's actually tuned properly for the 3500. So couldn't hook Rick up with a better product. Now, if we move on into the rear, same thing. We did an 1 3/4 block in the back, and we also did reservoir shocks in the back. Now, with something like this and doing the 1 3/4 block in the back and not touching the overload spring, we didn't mess with his towing capacity and didn't mess with any payload. So that's one of the benefits of going with the McGaughys 1 3/4 block, U-bolts, and of course the reservoir shocks in the back. Now, moving to the important piece of this video. Again, we have stock wheels, stock 17s. To get these wheels to work specifically, we had to call our friend Nick over at Scoville Motorsports. He hooked us up with a 3/8 spacer, 3/8 Hub Centric Spacer. It being Hub Centric and 3/8, it also comes with a lip, which also makes it wheel centric. So here at Signature Performance, we want to make sure with something like this, you're going to be safe on the road, you're going to be safe with towing and all that good stuff. So again, it's a 3/8 Hub Centric Spacer with a lip. And then again, we did our research, we figured out the extended stud that we're going to need, got those pressed in, got the correct thread engagement with these stock wheels. And what we did was we actually went with Nitto, of course. They have all their new sizes out. They have 33s, 35s, and 37s in the Nitto Terra Grappler G3. So with their new LT flotation sizes and this design, there's no doubt that this is going to be a new fan favorite. This size in particular is a 37, 12.5, 17. Cool thing about these in their LT and flotation sizes is it has a 55,000 mileage warranty on them. Another thing we did for the rear to make it work, because I know you guys are going to ask, we're going to get the phone call to see how we made these things work. How do we get 37s to fit on stock wheels? We actually utilize a 2-inch wheel adapter. So obviously with wheel adapters, we make sure that they are torqued to spec, and then obviously the wheel is obviously torqued properly to the adapter. This one's special. Again, we haven't done a dually yet that has stock wheels on them, but again, we made it work. We made it safely work, and obviously we got all the correct stuff on the truck. So Rick thank you for bringing your truck to us, man. Thank you for letting us have it for an extended period of time to make sure the research is done properly and we're getting this done for you. So if you guys have a 3500, a 2500, hit us up. Let us know what you would like to do. If we can do it for you and we can make it work and figure out all the tough parts and the tough questions like this one was, give us a call. Again, my name is Jimmy. Raymond, Daniel, Jacob, anybody in the office can help you out. We're all knowledgeable with this McGaughys stuff. And if you want to build a beautiful truck like Rick, let us know, man. We're here in Southern California, plenty of stuff to do. I'm excited for the next truck. We got a customer from way up north, so he's down. He spent the couple days at the beach. So hit us up, Costa Mesa, Signature Performance. Thanks, guys.